DAX, FTSE 100 and US indices have started the week almost on a flat note. Right now, not showing much of the strength, specifically on the upside. So, can we expect a drop or there is a possibility of a bullish reversal? What is going to be our strategy trading DAX, FTSE 100, Nasdaq and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators precisely in the same sequence. I'll be giving you the trading levels. Those who are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. First update for the day, second update will be released before the US session. Thus, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start. And yes, if you're not joined the channel membership, do join it. Press the join button. Let's start first on the DAX. If you look at the movement on DAX on the hourly charts, you'll finding the resistance at 17,000, 17,020. We have seen it dropping. See, it has dropped here, got the support at 16,889.20, retraced towards lower highs and lower lows. So yes, this is the second wave which it is trying to deliver. And if you look at the bottom of this wave is somewhere here at around 16,840, 800 zone, which is going to be a greater support zone for DAX. Only and only if it trades below 16,800, you can confirm that the bears are back in DAX. Else, you can see this, it is just trading in this zone for a while from now, between 17,000 to 16,800 levels. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, now see the bearishness getting diminished. A reversal or a rise confirmation is only and only if it trades above 16,880, 900 levels, 920 levels. And if it does trades above this, you can look forward to 940, 950 at the first resistance, and after that a bullish reversal can be confirmed. Moving average is also crossing over here is a sign of bearishness. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts, just one observation additional here. See, bearishness getting diminished here. I will definitely watch out for this candle. Possibly it could be the beginning of a retracement towards 920 levels. Stochastic hitting oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 3-hour charts as well, see, the candle is about to close and it is not shown a momentum here. This could be the reversal sign. Even if you see trading above 16,880, we can initiate a buying entry, but we have to be watchful here. See, it is trading and delivering lower highs, lower lows. A possibility of a retracement towards 940, 950 exists. Now, only and only if DAX is seen trading above 16,960 levels, you can confirm this as a reversal. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4-hour, likewise, similar observation here, trading in the box right now. And it has to come out of the box. Oversold stochastic, MACD bearish, RSI flat here. Nothing is interesting or nothing strong evidence for it to either drop or a rise. Mixed indications right now we are getting. But look at the daily. See, on the daily charts, let's divide the movement into two halves. See, first a slight bullish bias, then couple of stronger bearish candle, a stronger reversal, and then again today's candle is turning red, and you can find out it has already found its support. Now we also note that the support at 16,800 in the recent past, 16,800, 780 levels have provided it a greater support, and I have already maintained that as long as 16,750 levels and 800 levels are respected, do not treat DAX as bearish. Also, if you notice right now, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average and trading in this bullish channel. But looking at the highs, we have to be cautious today. Any drop below 16,800 should be, or 16,800, 780 should be a bearish sign. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge crossover for sell. See, it is still in a greener zone and it is still not much of a scope for it. RSI looking down as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy 16,880 levels, but you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss, because first it needs to break beyond 16,940, 960 zone. Very strong resistance exists there, and till it stays below 16,960, it is a 20 points trailing stop loss. 16,900 good resistance, 920 good resistance, and 940, 960 anyways is a good resistance zone. On the upside, beyond 17,020 is where the reversal confirmation is, and on the downside you can sell here at 16,840 levels, but then 16,800 very good support in between 780, 800, and then 740, 750. If these two levels are taken, consider that DAX has shown a break on the downside and you should stay alert for a crash. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at UK 100 again. If you look at the early charts, it has been trading in this 7600 to 7700. It has to leave this zone. If you look at the early charts, moving average is crossing over here, sign of bearishness. Drop, retracement, drop again, taking support right now from 7620 levels. Very, very good support here. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is bearish. It may converge crossover. RSI rising. Coming to 2 hour charts. So far on the 2 hour charts, three red candles trying to bounce back a bit now. And yes, one must notice 7640, 7650 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm reversal. Now, even if it tries to show a reversal, look at the box here. 7680 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm a breakout on the upside. Moving average is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. Stochastic dropping, MACD bearish, RSI is looking downwards as well. Coming to 3 hour, likewise here moving averages convergent, and see moving averages have not yet crossed over. This is still not confirming of a bearish break here. Look at the 3 hour chart. See this, the candle is about to close and it is still not shown any significant momentum here. Right now it is trading in this consolidation zone. It has to stay above 7640 in order to confirm the rise, and below 7615, 7610 in order to confirm the drop. Stochastic flat, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Likewise, on the 4 hour, similar observation, but one must note one bullish candle, then couple of bearish candle, and this candle could be bullish, but it has to break beyond 7640. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts here. The drop, sharper drop here, then the retracement, lower highs, and lower lows, expanding triangle. Right now if you look at taking the support from 7600, which is also 20 period moving average, prices are staying bullish. Today what has happened, it has created a step and it is almost seen trading with a bearish bias. It has to stay above 7610, 7608 levels, and yes, below which it's still there could be support at 7600, 7580 zone, and we can expect a reversal. But if it trades below 7580, certainly we are looking forward to 7550 and below that 7500. Right now, yes, a little bearishness is seen, but still I will only recommend you to sell as long as 7610 are not breached. We should be cautious of it. On the upside, 7640 is the level above which you can consider this for a reversal towards 7660, 7680 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on couple of weeks. Register yourself now. 28 batch just started last week. Register yourself now. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals, diverse instruments and commodities. You can definitely benefit. Again, ping me on Telegram or email for more details, or join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Also, if you have not joined the platform forexhonda.com, must join it. There you get all the relevant information related to the markets, be it the economic calendar, the charts, or the community. Also, you can schedule a call with me if you need any live consultation or guidance. Now, let's start with Tech 100 on the early charts. Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, trying to break out 17600. Yes, if it stays above, we can initiate a buying position here. Yes, also it is being seen trading the support from 20 period moving average, which is consistently climbing up. Now, one must note that this is the support now 17550. This was the resistance. After that, we have seen a rise, it is retraced higher lows and it could lead to higher highs as well. Be watchful. Stochastic rising from the oversold, but MACD has crossed over at the peak. It is trading with divergence and bearishness. And in fact, whether this is the peak or it could achieve a next peak, that is something you should watch out for. Stochastic has dropped, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour chart, the rise, it has retraced lower highs, lower lows. But look at the last couple of candles here. You can see it getting resistance on the downside, getting a push from the downside. Thus, if you see it is staying above 17600, we can initiate a buying entry, but you have to trade with caution. It's still not to be treated bullish as long as 17630, 660 zone is not taken. Remember, prices are divergent from the moving average. It is waiting for the moving average to climb above 17550 in order to hit and bounce back. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is flat. And on the 3 hour charts, likewise, now on the 3 hour charts, see the candle is about to close. It is closing in green. The next candle is what you should watch out for. Definitely, it is more of consolidation right now. A selling entry is only below 17 17,580 levels. Yes, if you see the higher price below 17,580, you can initiate a selling entry. But remember, 17,550 is going to remain a great support zone. 17,520, 500 greater support exists there, below which you can expect a drop. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour charts. Look at 4-hour charts, bearishness getting diminished. It is trying to reverse. A rise above 17,650, 660 is where the bulls will try to take over, and then certainly the bullish momentum may prevail here. It is looking upwards and staying bullish definitely. The stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts. Now look at daily charts. It has given a gap earlier and now getting the resistance from the upside around 17,650 levels. So you've seen it showing a pullback. Certainly you can see multiple candles getting reversed from the same zone between 17,650, 680. We have to be careful as long as it respects this zone. Only above 17,700 is where the bulls will be confirmed. Right now, look at the preceding two candles, the bullishness got diminished. The only observation here is the divergence of the price from the 20 period, which could make Nasdaq 100 converge towards those, which means 17,300. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still flat and it is slightly overbought as well. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 17,600 levels, but then extreme caution should be observed as long as 17,600 31st resistance, then 17,660 and 680. These two levels are not taken. Do not treat Nasdaq as bullish. On the downside, you can sell here at 17,580 itself, but with a caution of 17,550, 17,520, and only below which we should treat Nasdaq as bearish. Take positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow. If you look at the movement on the US30, you will find it trading in the channel where the bottom here somewhere here at around 38,450 levels, 400 levels. Only a drop below 400, 350 is the confirmation of the reversal, else it is still trading in this bullish channel. Remember, support levels at 38,450, 38,500 is going to be very strong. Stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, you can find the bearishness getting diminished, flat bottom trying to reverse, and a rise above 38,650 is where you can initiate a buying position. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is trying to converge, RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, candle is in red and it is looking downwards. I will watch out for where it closes, and then this should be the beginning of a little retracement towards 38,500 or in fact 38,450 levels. Only and only if US30 trades below 450, we should treat this as bearish. Stochastic is looking bearish, MACD is trying to converge, while if you look at 4-hour charts, likewise, couple of bearish candle diminishing bearishness, a reversal can be also observed. But a bullish confirmation on US30 is above 38,650 levels. The stochastic dropping here, MACD is trying to converge here, it is not yet crossed over. Coming to daily chart. Look at daily charts, greater resistance here and finding the resistance at 700. We have seen prices reversing, but it has also got its support intact at 500 levels. Thus, it needs to break below 500 in order to confirm the drop. If you look at the momentum right now, it is bullish. It is also trading in this bullish channel. Support levels at 38, 300 levels, 38, 400 levels are going to be very strong. Only and only if US30 trades below 38, 300, 400 zone, we can look forward to the next drop towards the 20 period moving average sitting at 38,000 levels, and only if US30 trades below 38,000, we should treat this as a bearish breakout. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Yes, you can buy US30 at 38,650 levels and sell at 38,550. Those who want to risk a little can buy at 38,620 and sell at 38,550. In between these 70 points, at least do not take a position. On the upside, be watchful of 38,650 and 700 zone. Very strong resistance exists there. And on the downside, be careful at around 38,500 and 450 zone. Very good support there. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.